All right, let's jump in. We need three things to start with. We need the number of terms total that we're looking for. We need the first term and the last term, and then we can just plug into the formula. So let me get my pen going here. All right, so the number of terms, we find that by looking at the top end. We want 35 terms. No, let me say that differently. We want the 35th term to be the last term that we use. And this tells us our starting point. So it's kind of like a floor and a ceiling, saying start at the first term and then go to the 35th. So the first to the 35th means that we're looking at 35 terms. So that's our number of terms. Now we need the first term and the last term. So we're going to take 2n minus 11 and just substitute, not, not like that, substitute for n. So 2 times n minus 11. So we want the first term. So 2 minus 11, that's negative 9. And then we want the 35th term. So 2n minus 11, n is 35 this time. So that's 70 minus 11, 60, and one more, so 59. Okay, so 35 times the first term plus the last term divided by 2. In other words, it's the average of those two terms, the beginning and the end sort of the series that we're just looking at. So 59 minus 9 is 50. 50 divided by 2, that's 25. So you're really just doing 35 times 25. And that is something. Let's see what it, oh yeah, 875.